This all planed out. I could throw a bucket right there maybe, but I mean it's all done on this side. I gotta figure something for that, but for a temporary fix it's done, and it goes all the way out to here. That's where the tube stops, right, actually right here. So this is all planed as best as I can for now. I gotta do another load, dump it right here, and plane it out some more. But it's not bad. And I'm digging this guy in, planing this all out. I need another brick and a half to go, and I reached the bottom, as you can see in there. And it's coming.